Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we've got a super handy tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to install Netflix on your Samsung TV. Whether you're a movie buff, a binge watcher, or just looking for some great content, Netflix has got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Power up your Samsung TV. First things first, make sure your Samsung TV is powered up. If it's not already on, hit that power button on your remote, and let's get ready for some Netflix magic. Step 2. Navigating to the Apps section. Now, on your remote, locate and press the Home button. This will take you to the main menu. From there, scroll down and find the Apps section. This is where all the streaming goodness awaits. Step 3. Searching for Netflix. Once you're in the Apps section, you can either scroll through the available apps or use the search feature. We're going to use the search function to make it quick and easy. Select the search icon and type in Netflix. Step 4. Downloading Netflix. Here's the exciting part. Once you found Netflix in the search results, click on it. You'll see the option to download and install the app. Hit that button and let your Samsung TV work its magic. The download process may take a few moments, so be patient. Step 5. Signing into Netflix. With Netflix installed, go back to the Apps section, and you should now see the Netflix icon. Click on it. And if you already have a Netflix account, sign in. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up on the Netflix website. Conclusion. And there you have it. Netflix is now installed and ready to provide you with endless hours of entertainment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.